This is Zach, it's at Shatterproof.
If you get it before 8 tries, you beat 50% of the population.
This is Zach at Shatterproof Archery.
Hey guys, Zach made these awesome sawhorses and I wanted him to tell you how he did it, but it's for a specific purpose. So here is the process first.
Right, so we've got this big board of walnut that we make our risers out of. So I've got 3 sawhorses, one on the end, one in the middle with a little special holder, and then one on the other end. So I'm gonna measure out my distance, mark that, give myself a line to follow. I'm gonna make sure that line is right over these 2 boards here, and that this end is still supported. Go ahead and make the cut. All your pieces stay in place. You don't need to worry about anything falling or catching anything. The jigsaw cuts straight through here without any problem. If you're using a circular saw, you could cut into the top, but this is just a little bit easier. Now you've got your board. So we made a quick and dirty sawhorse to process our lumber.
They even stack together.
They even stack together. Just needed to be fast, needed to be sturdy, and I needed 3 of them. Didn't have a whole lot of wood, so I tried to figure out a way to make it out of at least one 8-foot 2x4, maybe a 10-foot 2x4. Biggest issue I have with sawhorses is that they rock. So designed this with a triangle at the bottom, which also makes it fairly strong, and then scooped out a little bit of material here in the 2x4s so that we just have 3 points of contact, which means when you put it down, it's not really gonna rock very much. What's fun about this system is that it's just 5 pieces and it's actually pretty sturdy for what I need it for. And then I was able to make 3 of them really quickly. The center one is super important though. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay out a 10-foot board of walnut on here to make our risers. And so at the beginning, we're going to have the whole board across, and then here in the middle, I attach just a little arm on here so that I can set up my cut along this gap here. I can use the jigsaw, run it through the board. Both ends are supported and they're not gonna fall. So let me show you that.
Nothing fell.
Nothing fell. And you just move it down, support this side, you're good to go again. And then just tip the board up, drag this along underneath that line, make sure this is under this end, and you're good to go.
Beautiful. The wood though. If that doesn't make you happy, I don't know.
I'm gonna store them like that for a little while. So
Yeah.
I'm trying to reduce the moisture exchange in the ends. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this.
Yep, do your thing now.
You need to start making risers.
Oh, he's telling me he needs to get back to work. Is that over here?
My boss is distracting me.
Noises. Can I make loud noises now?
Yes, you're gonna make a lot of noises.